So for that reason, we have invited Professor Galina Ilieva. She is professor at the Mechanical Engineering department at the Technical University of Varna. And of course, she got her master in turbomachinery from von Karman Institute in fluid dynamics. She worked in different research facilities, particularly the Center for Mechanical and Aerospace Science and Technology in Portugal. And at present, she is a director of the Research Institute of Technical University. She is very active in developing many papers on aspects related to fluid dynamics applied to different areas. So, Dr. Ilieva, I hope you are here. Thank you for sharing. Yeah. So you have 10 minutes.
Oh, very short time. Okay, thank you very much. Good
You're
morning
welcome. Thank you.
to everyone.
Please put this in full screen if you agree.
So is it need full screen?
F5.
Is it okay now?
It will be better if you push F5.
F5. Okay, so I'm pushing, but maybe nothing happens.
No problem. So, okay, move on.
Okay. Yeah. Good morning to everyone. It's my honor.
Good morning.
To be a part of.
Sorry, you can also right-click on the background of the first page and select go on full screen if you like.
Screen?
Right-click on the first page, like this page. You know,
okay.
Right-click.
Right, but it's the right button that I'm pressing. Oh.
Just okay. Never mind. Please go on. Sorry.
Well, thank you very much to Professor Mahmoud for the introduction. In next some minutes, I will present our activities to modernize the maritime education. As you know, due to the specifics of the maritime industry, complex nature and multidisciplinary profile, the professional training of engineering staff requires special attention. Currently, the university education in the area of maritime industry, let's say, needs to address what skills professionals need to have to work in the 21st century to meet new demands and the evolution of technologies. Requirements are for multidisciplinary knowledge of staff, application of new technologies in training and others. Modern means of digitalization and digital learning tools help students to obtain the most up-to-date, let's say, information, to learn it in multiple ways, forms and formats, which has a positive effect on learning experience. And in this regard, our university works on several projects to achieve new horizons in the area of contemporary, innovative maritime education. I will present more relevant of those projects and their results. Our first project is innovative model for modernization of higher education through the creation of an academic ecosystem. This project is funded under Operational Program Science and Education for Smart Growth. And our partners here are Varna Free University and University of Plovdiv. Main aims are to develop two master programs. They are interdisciplinary master programs ending with joint diplomas. Also, we have planned in this project trainings for students to boost their competencies, their entrepreneurship skills, and also learn them how to create startups, how to lead them. We have planned trainings and mobility periods for academic staff to boost their language and digital competencies, mobility periods for students in foreign universities that are our associated partners. Well, about the specialties. First specialty is ecotechnology systems in industry. In fact, it's the marine industry, a program oriented to the marine industry. This is the first interdisciplinary master program in Bulgaria aimed at the study, development, and implementation of innovative ecotechnological solutions in industry. Engineers are trained for the purposes of design, operation, management of, let's say, complex ecotechnological systems for the transport and especially for the maritime industry. The new type of experts will gain in-depth knowledge and expertise in the field of energy efficiency of transport, as well as they will learn about innovations in technological systems to achieve sustainable growth of blue industry. Second specialty in this project is 3D technologies for design and production. It's a specialty related to practical application of three-dimensional technologies, data, process visualization, virtual reality. Our students will learn about additive technologies, how to implement them in marine engineering area. As you know, these are main component of Industry 4. Second project is funded under Erasmus Plus program. It's Project Daring, Digital Education Readiness in Maritime and Inland Navigation. This project ended in May this year. Well, here, main aim of the project was creation of new content for specialized IMO courses for mariners, virtual and augmented reality scenarios as materials for practical training in maritime and inland navigation, education and training. In fact, as a result of this project, this intellectual output, our colleagues from the Maritime Qualification Center developed an innovative training system with the application of modern VR/AR technology. In fact, here an avatar of a real instructor in a 360-degree environment.
Sorry, you can see
Sorry.
you can see only the first slide. It's not moving.
Sorry. Now it's moving, and you can see next slides related to Daring project.
Not yet. Sorry.
Could you please stop sharing the screen, and when you click on it again, please select the whole screen, not just a PPT file, whole screen.
So I see here screen.
When you click, just click on screen, not the PPT file.
Okay. Screen and share. Now
Yes.
Can you see?
Yes.
This is perfect, yeah.
Okay. And it moves now? You can see that slides are changing? Okay. Well,
The only problem is that we have less than 5 minutes.
Okay, so as I said, in this project is developed innovative training system with application of modern technologies. In fact, an avatar of real instructor in, as I said before, 360 degrees environment of real bridge teaches marine specialists interactively, and the avatar of a teacher explains elements and operating principles. of navigational equipment on bridge leads trainees in various navigational scenarios. The developed system allows the training of maritime specialists to become as close as possible to real conditions. The system is applied for training for students and personnel for maritime mining companies. Colleagues from the Maritime Qualification Center, they created various scenarios for training and handbook. I will say here that many companies are interested to have the opportunity to apply the technology in training simulators and send to us their staff for training. Last project that I will present is Project Dynamic towards responsive engineering curricula through Europeanization of dual higher education. Here, we regard to develop, test, validate, and implement dual engineering curricula, especially for our university in the area of naval architecture and marine engineering. In fact, in the frames of this project, we have created a toolkit and documentation for implementation of dual higher education programs for those specialties naval architecture and marine engineering. Also, we had trained the trainers course for industrial mentors to strengthen their training capacities. Also, handbook for dual engineering education, in which we share our experience and provide advices related to curricula subjects, planning of training periods, how to choose industrial partners, and so on. From our university, we sent many students to our industrial partners for training periods. Some students worked on diploma thesis under guidance of academic and industrial mentors. And after their graduation, some of them signed contracts with companies. We are, of course, still in collaboration with those companies, and we work very well with them. At the end, thank you very much for your attention, and we will be happy to welcome you as our new partner in research and education. Thank you.